Hey there, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you guys how to add music to a custom video using Canva. So, there are a bunch of important things you need to understand before we go ahead. This tutorial will apply if we wish to add music directly to a design that we've already created. One of our more recent designs, for example. And if that's the case, follow along with this video on how to add custom music to a custom video using Canva. So let's say I wish to add music to this design. It's a video and I want to enhance it with some music of my own. Usually, when editing with Canva, you typically go to the Elements section. From the Elements section, you can explore various categories. From here, you can scroll down until you find audio, and we can choose some select music to complement our design. As you can see, there are also graphics, photos, backgrounds, frames, and charts options, but we are focusing on adding music to our custom video. Before we add music though, we need to make sure that we customize our design as if we're editing an actual video. Let's go back to Canva and then click on Create a Design. When you choose to start with an actual video, you'll notice a slight difference with the dashboard. There is now a duration option, which is quite essential for video editing. In the previous section, we really only had design options, so it's really important we use a video editor if we wish to add music. Now on the left-hand sidebar, there is a logo for Canva, and next to it we have the video fabric. This indicates that we're in a new section where we can add music. So if you started somewhere else and just want to convert your project into a video, simply go to Resize, make the necessary adjustments, copy your elements, and paste them into a new design. So once our design is ready, let's proceed to add some music. Simply go to Elements, go to Audio, and from here you'll find a variety of copyright-free audio elements that Canva has generously given us to choose from. Simply choose the one you want, and it'll automatically be added to our Elements section. So focus on the timeline in the bottom, and this is where we're going to focus on placing our music. Feel free to either drag and drop the music, or double-click on it to specify the exact starting point and end point in the video. Simply do those steps, double-click again to confirm, and you're good to go. Adding music to your custom videos on Canva is literally that simple. What's great is that Canva offers copyright-free music, so if you're using your video for commercial purposes, it's absolutely free to do so. If you have any other questions or inquiries regarding these steps, feel free to leave a comment down below. And as always, don't forget to like this video if you learned something new, or subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.